Hi everyone, this is Ulysses. In today's video, I wanted to challenge myself in using a disposable camera on the streets of Tokyo for 1 hour. Disposable cameras are a great tool. They have their own kind of signature look. They're very easy to use. You can just point and shoot and you can get it developed, and these days scanned and even printed really quickly and cheaply. I actually have a bunch of childhood photos taken on these disposable cameras by like my dad and my mom. So to me too, there's some kind of sentimental value to these cameras. Nevertheless, I thought it'd be a fun video to try them out since they're only like $10. So yeah, here's the video and enjoy. Hey guys, we'll be shooting in Shibuya, Tokyo today with a disposable film camera. They make a lot of these in Tokyo, so I thought it would be a good video. The light is absolutely killing my eyes, but it'll do for a good photo shoot, I think. Let's go by the camera and see you there. Hey. Yes. Okay, so how you use this camera is pretty simple. You take a shot and then you wind it and then you go to the next frame. This camera has 27 frames, so you can basically take 27 shots. And I think there's a flash, and that's pretty much it. So let's go and take photos.
お疲れ様でした。
Okay, so that was the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and comment on this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We talk about anything in photography. So hope you enjoy and hope you learn something, maybe. Again, hope you enjoyed and see you guys in the next one. Sayonara. Bye-bye. What is this? What is this? Sayonara. That's a little bit cute. Oh well. Bye.